Hi dear customers, here is video showroom of Tianjin Lituo hardware manufacturer. Our company majors in manufacture different screws, self-typing screws or self-drilling screws. And drywall screw is our company most competitive product. And today I want to introduce our Coarse thread drywall screw with white galvanized surface treatment. This is with the most popular bugle head and the coarse thread. And the sample on my hand are half threaded because there are a longer size, which is more than 70. So we'll make half threaded for this length. Okay, thank you for your support all the time. And if you'd like to learn more about our product or our company, welcome to contact us anytime.